Hello friends, welcome back to Abby's Tech channel, and this video we have a look at Filecoin. What's the price change occur in the Filecoin, what's the high price of Filecoin, and what is the best time to buy, sell or hold Filecoin. In this video I'm going to show you with a live proof. So before starting this interesting video, if you don't subscribe my channel, so please first of all subscribe my channel, click the subscribe button right now for my support. My wish to hit 3k subscribers, so please help me and reach me 3k subscriber, please brother, help me. Now let's see the now let's start the price prediction video of the Filecoin. What's the price change occur? Let's see. As you can see here, first of all we look the price prediction of the Filecoin. After that we decide it's time to buy, sell or hold Filecoin. As you can see now on the screen, that is the live price prediction of the Filecoin in the previous last 1 hour. So first of all, if we see the currently look of the chart, so the chart tells us that they continuously at this time, at this period, they fast down in the last 1 hour. So currently it's a falling time of the Filecoin. But don't worry about the falling of the Filecoin, because it's a continuously procedure of every cryptocurrencies. As you know, every cryptocurrencies falls down in a start of new month. As you know, today is 4th April, that is the new month, that is the start of April, that is why they fall down. So don't worry about the falling of Filecoin. Now let's see if we see the average change of the Filecoin, about negative 0.39% change occur in the Filecoin, and the price of the Filecoin is about $190.46 is the high price of Filecoin in the last 1 hour. Now let's see the price prediction of the Filecoin in the previous last 2 hour. As you can see here, the 2 hour period of the Filecoin is absolutely bad. Falls down, take a small jump, falls down. That is the period of the Filecoin in the previous 2 hours. As I told you, it is a falling period of every cryptocurrencies, because it is a start of a new month. That is why they falls down. As if we see the changes of the Filecoin in the previous last 2 hours, the changes is a negative 1.61% change occur in the Filecoin in the previous last 2 hours, and the price of the Filecoin is absolutely good, $191 $191.48 is the high price of the Filecoin in the previous last 2 hours. Absolutely good price. So friends, if we see the price prediction of previous 2 hour, last 1 hour, it's all in fast down, fast down, fast down. It's a funny period of Filecoin, bad time of the Filecoin holders. But don't worry about the bad time, don't worry about the falling of the Filecoin. Soon they start jumping upward, and they will make you a millionaire. As you can see here, it is a start of new month, that is why they fall down. Don't worry about that, and hold your Filecoin. My suggestion for all our Filecoin holders, hold your Filecoin with the last of this month. That will make you a millionaire soon, so wait for it. And don't forget to subscribe our Stick channel for more this kind of latest news and updates. Thank you so much for watching this video.